Hey there, bull market bully fam. Today we're diving into a stock that's been hitting all the high notes, Spotify Technology S.A, ticker symbol SPOT. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights to boost your portfolio. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could amplify your investment strategy. Company overview. Spotify, founded in 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen, is a global leader in music streaming. With over 70 million tracks and a presence in 92 countries, Spotify has revolutionized how we access music, shifting from ownership to on-demand streaming. Its user-friendly interface and personalized playlists cater to both casual listeners and audiophiles, making it a staple in today's digital entertainment landscape. Financial overview. Let's break down the numbers. Revenue growth. Spotify's revenue has been on a steady climb with a 19% year-over-year increase in Q3 2024, reaching €3.99 billion. This growth reflects the rising demand for streaming services. Profit margins. The company achieved a record gross margin of 31.1% in Q3 2024, surpassing expectations and indicating improved profitability. Debt and cash flow. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.40 and a current ratio of 1.71, Spotify maintains a solid financial position. Additionally, it reported €711 million in free cash flow in Q3 2024, showcasing strong financial health. Market trends and competitive landscape. The music streaming industry is booming, and Spotify is at the forefront. Its competitive advantages include a vast music library, personalized user experience, and strategic partnerships. However, it faces stiff competition from Apple Music, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music, each leveraging their ecosystems to attract users. Spotify's focus on exclusive content and podcasts helps differentiate it in this crowded market. Looking ahead, Spotify's growth strategies include several key initiatives. First, market expansion. This means continuing their global expansion into emerging markets to tap into new user bases. Next, innovation. They're investing heavily in podcasting and exclusive content to diversify their offerings and attract a broader audience. Then, strategic partnerships. Collaborations with artists and creators to provide unique content and enhance user engagement are crucial. Of course, challenges such as licensing costs and competition remain, but Spotify's focus on profitability and user growth positions it well for the future. Investment strategies. At its current price of $460.88, Spotify's valuation reflects its growth trajectory. With a P/E ratio of 125.76, it's trading at a premium, indicating high investor expectations. For long-term investors, considering entry points during market dips could be a prudent strategy. Final grade. Based on its financial performance, market position, and growth prospects, I give Spotify a solid A- for long-term investors. Here's a bonus for you. Spotify has been investing heavily in AI-driven personalized experiences, enhancing user engagement and retention. This focus on AI could lead to increased user satisfaction and consequently, higher revenue streams in the future. That's it for today's stock review. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Bull Market Bully for more stock insights. Until next time, keep hustling and stay bullish.